And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my new cleaning video. I think that I can do this type of videos every single day at least, otherwise twice a day. So yeah, it's Monday, it's afternoon time, it's about 5:30 or something like this. So yeah, I just have finished working and I pick up the kids from school and I ate kind of an afternoon breakfast or something like this, and now I have to put in order the mess, because I don't know what about you, but in our house after a weekend on Monday it's such a ridiculous mess, and I really can't believe. Look here guys, there is a laundry everywhere, everything is such a mess. I didn't have time this morning to put the beddings in order and to put the bed in order, and oh my gosh, if I show you guys my boy's bedroom, I just can't believe that it could be such a mess, because his bedroom is so small, and when he's making such a mess I don't have where to put my food there, where to step or doing anything. I don't know how I'm gonna clean there, but I definitely have to clean, to do a vacuum cleaning. There is no dust, I hope so, really hope so, but the main goal to reach this evening is gonna be to put the upstairs in order, the second floor in order, because I can't live in this mess. So yeah, if you are interested how one working mom of two is going to put in order her house in Monday evening or Monday afternoon actually, but probably it will be Monday evening until I finish cleaning here. Yeah, so if you are interested in this video, please join me. I will try to keep myself motivated in 1000%. I will switch on probably some Christmas music for kind of a good Christmassy festive mood, and then I'll grab all my cleaning stuff. Yeah. So let's stop talking and let's start putting this entire mess in order. I'll show you guys, I'll show you. Look what a ridiculous mess it is. It's a mess here, it's a mess here, it's a mess here. My laundry, I don't have enough time to put the cushions in my bed, etc. I have to clean the floor. My bathroom is, yeah, my bathroom is good. And guys, look, oh my gosh, I want to show you. I want to show you guys my boy's bedroom. I can't believe it is in this situation. Let me show you guys what my boy is doing at the same time. He's just laying down here on the floor over my previous beddings and watching YouTube. everything from me, guys, for today and from my second floor. So I finished cleaning, and yeah, if you're just wondering one day what I'm doing after finishing working almost every single day, so yeah, this is the real truth. And yeah, but I'm happy. My house smells so fresh now and so clean, and I feel a lot more comfortable when my house is clean, especially the bedrooms. I will clean the downstairs probably tomorrow or any one day, but it's definitely not gonna be today. I really hope you enjoy my cleaning video. I really hope you find it motivated, and if it is like this, please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will put a link somewhere here or there on the screen so you can subscribe to my daughter's channel as well, DariDGaming, if you are interested in gaming and Roblox. You can find me in Channelmum's website as well as one of their vloggers. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video and hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye. I'm behind the camera.